Hello everybody, welcome back to Hard Reset channel. In today's video, I'll show you the best meth mix you will ever see. So first, what we need to buy in the Gas Mart station is banana. So let me get one. We need some cuke. Now we need some paracetamol. We need some gasoline and another cuke. Now what we need is some battery. Now we need some horse semen and megabean. So let me get all of it. Let me quickly get it back. And now let me go to the bungalow and mix it all up. As you guys can see, now we need to visit our mixing station and we need to place meth. And first we'll start off with a banana. So as you guys can see, now after banana we need to put some cuke. And after cuke is finished, we need to place some paracetamol, as you guys can see. Now after paracetamol we need to place some gasoline. And after gasoline, we need to place another cuke. After that, we need to place battery. Then the horse semen. And last, what we need is a megabean. So as you guys can see, here we have the Granddaddy Diamond. Now let me show you guys how much it's worth. So it's right here and the suggested price is $340, but we can easily ask for $400. And as you guys can see, we have 8 effects total. So that would be it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.